The agenda is to grow. The aim is to excel. We believe continuous innovation plays the decisive role. And that's where BCom Honours program at NMIMS Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce has proved to be one of its kind. It's a 3-year full-time program that covers 36 subjects spread over 6 semesters. So what makes NMIMS School of Commerce different? First and foremost, the curriculum. We, being a deemed to be university ourselves, have the freedom to update and innovate wherever the need is identified. We regularly invite professionals from diverse industry backgrounds to enhance the syllabus to be at par with the current trends of the world. Our biggest strength is in our team of full-time faculty and guest speakers who are entrepreneurs, PhD or top-level managers themselves. To instill comprehensive knowledge in economics, accounts, finance, marketing and strategy, our professors couple theory with real-life case studies, practical demonstrations, online games and business simulation to elevate the understanding of the subject. The agenda is to transform the classroom into a breeding place for ideas and strategies. There is so much to learn and gain from the batchmates and seniors too at NMIMS School of Commerce. Each student possessing a peculiar strength, coming together as groups, sharing positivity and insights. NMIMS infrastructure is world-class too. State-of-the-art classrooms, a modern library with over 50,000 volumes, 250 plus Indian and global periodical subscriptions, access to online databases and e-journals, a well-equipped computer lab, 24/7 Wi-Fi access across the institute and lots more. It gives our students all the facilities to perform. On the international linkages front, we have entered into a student exchange program, namely Rotterdam Business School, Hogeschool University of Applied Sciences, and many other leading B schools globally. To enable learning beyond classroom, we encourage extracurricular and co-curricular activities too. We ourselves possess clubs and forums related to sports, marketing, arts, entrepreneurship, and social responsibility. All this proves to be an edge when NMIMS placement season begins. An industry-ready mind is the preferred choice of employers. Eminent recruiters are a part of NMIMS placement season year after year. Be part of this prestigious institute. All you need to do is check your eligibility for the course, mark the important dates and register online. There are many centers across India to choose from. Ensure you study the test structure in detail. See you soon at NMIMS.